I've been working on a way to add color, some kind of excitement to the pieces that I already do. I love the charcoal, I love the black and white, but I really feel like if I could add some color hits, it would just be a lot of fun. And I've been doing that with gold, gold leaf and gold ink and other things that are gold, bronze, and silver. But I really wanted to do something else, which led me to believe I ordered these pan pastels, a whole stack of them, probably a year and a half ago. And I tried them, and you can't erase them, and so I was really disappointed. So I got rid of them. I didn't get rid of them, but I put them away. Well, I was going through my art bin, and all of a sudden I see these things, and it occurred to me: what if I double up? What if I use these, which you can brush into and you can erase, but not totally, but then put my trusted powder charcoal over the top of the color. So I can do a spot color with this, powder charcoal over the top, create an abstract, paint into it, and find the color. So anyhow, that's what I'm doing. It's a new technique for me. It's something that I haven't seen before. So I'm anxious to give this a shot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some pan pastels, some powder charcoal, a piece of paper, and let's see what we can come up with. So stick around. This will be fun. So I am trying something new. I have these pastels, and they're basically pan pastels, if you will. They're pretty cool. A whole bunch of different colors in them. You just open them up, kind of like that. And I originally got these over a year ago, and I thought, oh, if I could do this like I do charcoal, put it on and kind of brush it off. You can't really do that. So I put them away. But recently, as I've been adding gold and I wanted to do more color, and I usually use soft pastel sticks for the color, I thought I saw these in the back of my um, artist bin, and I thought, man, I got an idea. I want to try these again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually create kind of an abstract with these. And then I'm going to put powdered charcoal over the top of that and see what happens. So anyhow, here we go. Basically, you just brush it like that, and then just put it on. And I think for now, I'm going to try to keep the color more centralized, just in my head for the first one. Because I don't know exactly how this is going to look. And I do think I'm just going to throw some pieces around, some color around like that. I'm going to take this, it's a super soft, kind of a spongy thing. I think I'm going to just put these edges out a teeny bit on some of it. And obviously you can smush it around, so that's kind of cool. It doesn't seem like you can really remove it once it's there. So anyhow, I think I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Okay, what did I do with my top? I took the top off, and now I can't find it. That's an artist's mind at work right there. Oh, that's because I put it on here. Call them pan pastels. And you saw the purple. You know, there's kind of a green teal color there. Yellow. So anyhow, pretty cool and pretty fun. I mean, to me, it just seems like you can have a lot of fun with these. And so now I'm going to go with my my standard Creative charcoal that I use. Put this stuff away so I don't get a whole bunch of charcoal all over that. Now I'm going to put the charcoal over the top. And like I said, I have no idea where this is going to lead me. But I love the idea of having these hits of colors in some of these pieces. I'm already digging that, right? It's kind of cool. It's like, ooh, what's that color? Wait, I'm really excited once I actually take this and blow it off. What I'm going to have on here. I like these little hits of the color, just around. So it's not like, there it is. It's going to be around. And I can add some more down the road if I decide to. I do think I can add, like in my head, I could get halfway through and kind of look at certain areas and add some more color if I wanted to. Okay, let me blow this off super quick. All right, so I took it and I just kind of blew it off, but already, look at that, I can actually carve into the color with the charcoal. The charcoal and that don't mix in too much enough where I can't. Oh, this is going to be fun. It'll be a lot of fun. Super excited. That's kind of crazy, but I've been trying to figure out this for a while, in a technique that going to work the way I like it to work in my head, the way I want it to work in my head. With charcoal, because it is so soft, you can't just add color, mix it. It's going to just mix with your charcoal. So it's been something that I've been trying to do for a while. The gold ink obviously works really well, but I wanted something different. Don't want to scrub too hard because I don't want to accidentally push it in to that too much there. There's the fibers. So I want to be able to remove some of that if I have to, or if I want to. So, this is just a thing. I think it could be pushed even farther, maybe like now adding some more charcoal back into it. But right now, I wanted to put a layer of the PanPastel underneath, the charcoal on top, and then I can work into my charcoal and reveal that color in harder, strong areas like that, and lighter areas like that, and just see where it goes. So, anyhow, new technique. We'll see where this goes. Future videos to come. Anyhow, all we can really do is just draw and experiment a little bit because it's a lot of fun. So you guys take it easy, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. All right, so you made it to the end, and I thought that you probably should see how it turned out. And I didn't do a process video on this because in the experimentation phase, I think I want to focus more on the piece than I do on trying to set up at an area and do a process of the whole thing. So I sat in one of my comfortable seats, watching a movie or Netflix or something on there and doing my thing. And anyhow, this is what I came up with. And I really like it. It's almost like he's wearing this gold crown or some headdress or something like that. And it's almost like it's glowing off to the sides. A little bit here, a little bit here. But I'm really liking the color. It's a lot of fun. It is a different technique in the sense that the PanPastels definitely have an oily feel. So working into them, once you lose them, you have to go back and add the color to it. So I am going to be trying something different in the next video. Stick around for that. But I know if you've watched me on Instagram and stuff, you've seen images of this, so I thought during this video you should see how it turned out. And this is how it turned out. Thanks for watching.